I'll do a video on the cable crimpers here. This is a hydraulic one. It really works nice. But I found that these clamps here, now these come in a metric size. Which I'm using Temco, which is an American company, and they're, it's American size. Like, this book says like an 8-gauge wire, usually 10 size in the die. And I found that now you got to use the 8. So the sizing to the American wires are a little different. Now I'm using a 4-aught for my battery cables, and this says it goes up to 2-aught. So I got one in here, and I tested it. Now it'll put the 4-aught cable just fine. Did a really good job. Got 6 sides where it crimps. Kind of hard to show you all the sides here, but so when it's a good price on the kit. If you're interested, I'd say it's definitely one I wouldn't hesitate to buy. But if you're using American gauge, just use the smaller die than what their chart says. And now I cut your wiring. This little dude here, this is nice. It's got a little blade inside. You line up where you want it cut. Just roll this around the cable a few times. It's a lot better than using a razor knife. So that's what I'm using there. And these for cutting the cables are great. You get a really nice clean cut. You gotta, like that big 4-aught and stuff, you gotta open it up pretty far. It cuts through just like butter. These are from Temco also. There's different brands, so you can find these all over the net. All my cables and ends, I'm using Temco. That seems to be the best stuff you can buy. Personally, myself, I'm staying away from the metric Chinese cheap cabling. And I personally don't want any of that, so that's why I'm going with the good quality stuff here. But I thought I'd let you know about this hydraulic system here. It works great, but you gotta factor in your die sizes. They seem to be running a little big. I'm finding out. So I don't think I've ever seen anybody mention that part of it. But it will fit the 4-aught gauge. I know it doesn't say it, but it did a good job on mine. But thank you for watching the videos. And if you like, I have more stuff coming up if you want to subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you.